Hi everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens 8-box Stature case break 3816. So before we get rocking and rolling here, current date and time, it is Thursday, July 27th at 8:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and Thursday, July 27th at 11:02 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. Live on YouTube here. Getting the errors there again. And of course, for anyone that hasn't signed up our break site, you can sign up there. We don't have anything up on the site there currently. And the team buys here, we got My Tour 2006. Going down to Batman Bobby. And the Penguins Notorious Pit. Going down to Ed 997. So here we go, guys. So fortunately, the case that we are using tonight, oh no, I'm hoping that we don't get disconnected, is a case that unfortunately the border security did cut open. So they did seal it back up for us, which was nice. So I don't know if there's anything actually missing, so the bottom's still good. It looks like they cut that part open. And if the live stream does happen to disconnect here, I'll quickly just go live on my phone here for you guys, just using my data. Okay, yeah, doesn't look like anything's missing. Probably cut it to see what it says. This was actually put underneath the plane too. So here we go. Hey Sean, I did make it out here. The internet at this hotel is not very good though, because right now I'm in the low internet connect, or poor internet quality right now. So hopefully we can get through this here for you guys. I did. Funny man, Wes. Good luck, guys. So we got Andrei Vasilevsky, Miro Heiskanen for the Stars, Kevin Ball for the Devils, and Nicholas Boudin out of 85. Nick Schmaltz out of 99 for the Yotes. John Van Beesbrook, number 2 of 45 for Florida. And Proteges patch auto 22 of 24, Oli Uollevi. Crap. So hopefully the real actual upload is going to be better. This one's going to David Dwid and Ryan McLeod. I'm going to know what I'll be able to do when we do the other products the rest of this week here. Yeah. So we got Nathan McKinnon for the Avalanche. Pekka Rene for the Preds. Jansen Harkins 399 for the Jets. Nicholas Maloche out of 99 for the Sharks. Man, I can't. Uploading this is going to be a pain then too, I think. Shane Bowers out of 99 for Colorado. And Ian Mitchell, number 15 of 85 for Chicago. And Alexander True, number 5 of 15, blue autograph for the Sharks. And Century Momentous, Mark Messier. Yeah, we got good internet connection right now, according to YouTube here, so hopefully just power through this. So we got Kopi for the Kings, Nico Hischier for the Devils, Cal Foot 399 for the Lightning, and Peyton Krebs out of 99 for Las Vegas. Mikhail Berdine for the Jets. And Alexander Romanov, number 4 of 45. Are you guys lagging again still? Because if you guys are lagging, I'll go live on my phone here. And Morgan Geeky, 35 of 45. And Yarmer Yager, Century Momentous for the Penguins. Because it looks like I'm getting a whole bunch of low frame pop-ups on my screen here. Okay, as long as you guys are still able to see this, I just don't know what I'm gonna be able to do for the next few days here if the internet's this bad. So we got Wayne Gretzky for the Kings, Brock Besser for Vancouver, Mario Lemieux for the Penguins, Alexei Hiponemi for Florida, and Protégés J-Rob out of 149 for Dallas, and Carter Hart 15 of 85 for Florida, or sorry, for Philadelphia. Jake Evans red, number 13 to 25 for the Habs, and Pekka Rinne 30 of 35 for the Preds. That's the red variation. And Connor McMichael going out to the Capitals. Yeah. Depends where you're, how far you're staying there, Sean. Might have to take you up on your hotel room breaks. We got Jack Eichel for the Sabres. Artemi Panarin for the Rangers. Karel Kaprizov, 22 of 99 portrait, Minnesota. Joe Kiviranta for Dallas. And Austin Matthews out of 99 for the Leafs. And Nolan Foote out of 99 for New Jersey. And Matt Murray update stature auto for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And the Beezer, John Van Beesbrook for Florida. And Gravitas of Artemi Panarin for the Rangers. Yeah, we're staying at a 4-point Sheraton, but this one's definitely not the nicest Sheraton type of hotel. My washroom, toilets, water's running, and faucet, the shower's dripping here too. John Klingberg. Martin Brodeur for the Devils. And Jake Evans for the Canadiens. And Austin Matthews at a 175 for Toronto, and there is a little scuffed on this one there. And Pierre-Olivier Joseph, number 68 of 99. Yarmer Yager's jersey number. The Penguins. Cam Fowler portrait at 99 for the Ducks. And red, 23 of 75, Sidney Crosby. Gravitas. And Cameron Hillis, 199. And Century Momentous, Henrik Zetterberg. No, we got it. Our flight got in an hour late. We didn't get in till like 6 o'clock Chicago time today, Sean. We didn't do the trade day either. That's at the convention center. Like, I'm ready for bed here right away. So we got Ryan Nugent-Hopkins for the Oilers. Mark Stone for Las Vegas. Liam Foodie for Columbus. And Protégés red, 40 of 75, P.U.S. Suter. And Dylan Larkin out of 175 for the Red Wings. Mikhail Berdine out of 45 blue for the Jets. And another patch auto. That's a gooder. Rookie Portraits patch auto 7 of 33. Tim Stutzel. Congrats, Ottawa. Big hit there. Trevor 35-35. Tim Stutzel 3-color rookie patch auto. Very nice, Trev. And Patty Kane for the Blackhawks. And I'll sleeve all these ones up after here. The table space I got is very, very small in this hotel room here. I had to take the lamp off here just so we had enough room. Box 8. I'm hoping the upload's not going to be too long on this either. So we got Nick Schmaltz for the Yotes. Martin St. Louis for the Lightning. Mikko Lehtinen for Toronto. And Protégés, Morgan Geekie for Carolina. And Thomas Chabot, 48 of 85 for the Senators. And esteemed autograph, Ryan O'Reilly for the Blues, going out to the Hockey Blues. And Tyler Benson, green autograph out of 85 for the Edmonton Oilers. Got to Trevor. And finishing up with a Protégés of Marncott for Colorado. And base there. So there we have it, guys. And